Spring sports are well underway across the tri-state area, but lurking underneath the home runs and goals are the fear of getting a concussion. An Associated Press poll finds 44% of parents are not comfortable with their children playing sports. Lisa Wojcicki reports from Englewood.
Lacrosse season is here, and so is baseball and track and field. But a scary trend among these sports is the growing risk. The CDC says traumatic brain injuries suffered by high school age athletes playing sports over the past decade has increased by 60%.
There's increasing awareness of concussions and head injuries in sports, and I think that it's high time to get the public educated.
That's why Dr. Nilay Shah put together today's Concussion Leadership Consortium. He's seen one too many patients diagnosed too late.
Having a patient or an athlete assessed on the sideline, keep them in play or out of play is important because it's not going to further damage or cause more injury.
The doctors at Englewood Hospital imparted the latest in concussion treatment to around 150 coaches, nurses, and athletic trainers of high school and middle school sports in North Jersey.
As an athletic trainer, between concussion management and now with the sudden cardiac death, talking about EKGs now as well, a lot has changed, a lot more responsibility for the athletic trainer.
And here in New Jersey, Governor Chris Christie recently passed legislation that changes the protocols for dealing with concussions in sports.
Now athletes are not allowed to re-enter. They sustain a head injury, they can't re-enter that particular event. They have to be evaluated by a physician trained in concussion management.
The player must also complete 6 steps to graduate the return to play program, including clearance by a physician trained in concussion management. Hundreds of high school and college teams are using in-helmet accelerometers to measure force on every hit.
You keep refining, you keep coming up with just new ways of making sure that that this doesn't become that someone doesn't succumb to an injury, concussion injury, because of a lack of attention, something that would be very tragic.
Football players and other college athletes are suing the NCAA in federal court to adopt stronger concussion management and return to play guidelines. Reporting in Englewood, I'm Lisa Wojcicki for WMBC News.